This video is about how to create new buying request on reCommodity. So first of all, we go on Requests, then select Find Sellers. Then select your commodity that you want to list. You can either scroll down or just search for the commodity. For example, I take coffee. And if you don't find the commodity you are looking for, then please contact us. After that, select specifications of the product, like in coffee. Arabica coffee I'm choosing. And if the specification that you want is not showing, then click on New Specification and write the specification name. Our AI will check if the specification is related to that commodity or not. After that, you can add it. Next is Destination. Change if you want to import to another country than your profiles. Contract time. Select contract time for the deal. You can also choose multiple options here. Payment terms. Select payment terms you like. Shipping terms. Select options you like. Write destination port where you want to receive shipment. This field is optional. Write container size. This field is also optional. Quantity type. Select quantity type. Then select minimum order quantity, which is your minimum requirement. Then select target price. It is adjusted according to the quantity type you choose, like per kilograms, liters, or tons. The target price is fixed in USD. In other info, write detailed information about the product, packing type, origin, breed, etc. Then select origin from where you are willing to import. Then save request, and now your request is created. Thank you for watching.